kitchen sink. It's been 2 weeks. My infused vinegar with the orange peels. In my upcycled jar, I had received flowers in. So I scrubbed it really good. I did pour some boiling water in it. Made sure it was nice and clean for my natural cleaning solution. To start cleaning using my great microfiber cloths. This wonderful vinegar solution, and it smells so heavenly. It can be used even on mirrors, countertops, toilets, floors. Let me know. Comment on what you guys would use it on. Do remember to label your containers. This is a cleaner. It's not a food. I had overflow, so I pulled out an extra little spray bottle, which I will place in an extra bathroom, an extra room, just for quick wipe-me-ups. So I'm looking forward to cleaning.